Welcome to the Land Open House. We have a lot of vendors that have joined us, and one in particular is America First in Robin. So if someone comes to you and says, hey, I want to build on a lot, maybe it's their primary, maybe it's their secondary. Talk to us a little bit about what differentiates your interest rates and what does it mean if someone says it's going to be a second residence versus a primary.
Our construction loan has a fixed rate at 6.24. The long-term mortgage will pay off the construction loan. The rates right now are about 6.75. That would be for a primary residence. You're looking more about 7.875. The estimate rate if it's a second residence or an
So that's a
investment.
higher interest rate.
It's about 1% higher, yes. So a second residence would be something that you come and just stay at the home, maybe 6 months out of the year, maybe for vacation. At least has to be 15 miles to 100 miles away from where your current home is. An investment property is where you're going to be renting it out and have no intentions to living in that home.
When you do a construction loan, do you have a time frame that you have to build in?
So builders, if you have a builder building your home, we go up to 12 months, but we also have extensions if you go over the 12 months. If it's a self-build, normally we require you to have it built within 9 months. But again, you can look at doing extensions on those properties.
Would that change someone's interest rate, or do they have the ability to keep? Do you lock them in up front?
On the long-term loan, we qualified at 1% higher than the actual rate, but 60 days out from completion, we let them lock in what the current rate is there. That seems to be a little bit better offer right now than the one-time closings, but your construction loan is a fixed rate, 6.24 that we offer at this time.
What are some of the requirements around getting the loan?
The better your credit score is, the better rate you have. If you are self-employed or receiving commission income, you need to be receiving full 2 years of that type of income. Any other type of income, you should be fine. Your debt to income can't exceed 50% on a builder construction loan with the 1% higher rate, and then with a self-build, you can't exceed 45%. With the self-build construction loan, you used to have a 760 credit score, but they just require a little bit higher credit score. And then they require 12 months of your new house payment.
Well, thank you so much for your time.